Hello, everybody. My name is Ahmed Olatunji. I'm your TA for this position. This is my second video on time value of money. And today we are going to be dealing with another aspect of time value of money. The last time we dealt with MPAR, that is number of period. So now today we're going to be dealing with local grocery store. So it says a local grocery store is saving money. Local grocery store is saving money to buy a new truck. Wants to buy a new truck. 3 years ago, the store set aside $35. Is this $35? I think it's 35,000. Yeah, the store set aside $35,000 for this purpose. He's trying to buy a new truck, so he set aside $35,000 for this purpose. Today, that account is worth 40,228. What interest rate is the grocery earning on this investment? So we are trying to look for the interest rate, which is rate, right? We're trying to look for our rate, interest rate. First of all, you need to know what we are doing. A local grocery store is saving money to buy a truck 3 years ago. So number of years, your MPAR is 3. The store set aside $35,000. That will be your PV. And of course, it's going to be a negative sign because that's what you are going to use to produce your future value of $40,000. Yeah, it didn't really say there's any payment. There's no payment. There's no monthly payment or weekly payment. So your payment is 0. So your rate is what you are looking for. What is the interest rate? What interest rate is the grocery earning on these investments? So let's quickly dive into our Excel. I haven't kept all the values we need. Yep. So now this is our Excel. Of course, we are looking for the rate. So the first thing you need to do is yes, you got it, your equal to sign. So equal to rates, your MPAR. Your MPAR is 3, number of years, 3. Your payment is 0. Very simple. Just input it. Just impute it. PV, your present value, negative 35,000. You should be playing with this now. It's very simple. Your FV is 40,228. Yeah. And did he say beginning of the period or ending of the period? A new truck 3 years ago, set aside today. So he didn't tell if it's beginning or ending, but let's just do beginning of the period. Enter. So the rate is 5%. The rate is 5%. The rate is 5%. In case you want to, check the decimal point, you can change the decimal point to like 3 decimal points, and it gives you 4.750%. I hope you understand. If you have any question, don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you.